At Beyond Case, durability starts with engineering. Here we present two EVA carrying cases. One with a reinforced handle, and one with a detachable lanyard. Every component, from the shell to the stitching, is designed to withstand daily handling and transportation stress. Before shipment, each product goes through mechanical validation. First, we simulate real-world pulling force. Two operators apply opposite tension to replicate lifting and dragging conditions. This helps identify weak points in seams, handles, and connection areas. After maximum manual force, the structure remains intact. This confirms basic load integrity. Next, we move to calibrated tensile testing equipment. The machine applies controlled, repeatable force to fabrics and handles, allowing accurate measurement of load capacity. Here we evaluate fabric strength, handle reinforcement, stitch durability, and failure thresholds. All results are recorded to meet engineering standards. Finally, we demonstrate our highest strength soft backpack. The backpack is suspended at height, supporting full body weight through its shoulder straps and load-bearing structure, while a person performs pull-ups. This is not typical use. It is an extreme stress test designed to verify safety margins. If a backpack can handle this level of load, it is ready for real-world carrying and transportation. At Beyond Case, testing is not optional. It is how we build reliability into every product.